Welcome back. Today I'll be looking at inserting a hyperlink within a PowerPoint document. After completing your PowerPoint presentation, you may want to test the knowledge of your audience. So you may want to insert or incorporate an interactive multiple choice assessment at the end of your presentation. Now, hyperlink is a beautiful way to help to enhance this presentation. I have gone ahead and inserted some slides in my presentation. Now I'm going to start out by using the text box that is available on the slide to type my first question. I'll start my first question. Now that I've typed my question, I need to insert my multiple choice responses. To do so, I can use text box or I can insert shapes on the slides for the different responses. To insert the text box or the shape, you go to insert and you go to shape. So if you want to use text box, you can select text box, or you can use one of these shape and you can just put them on the slide. Now to add text to the shape, you can right click, select edit text. Then you type the different response in the shape. Now you can go ahead and format the shape by simply going to fill, shape fill, select a color that you like. You can add effects to it, so you can select any of the effects that you would like. Now I have completed typing and formatting my first shape for my first response. So all I can do is to copy and paste this shape for my other responses. I can click in the shape and edit it and put in the response that I want. I have my second response. I can just go ahead, copy and paste the shape the same way and put in my third response. Now I have my three multiple choice responses. You could add in as many as you'd like. The next thing I will be doing is to go on the internet, find some image or an image that says congratulations when the person click on the correct response, or a sad face, or try again when the person clicks on the wrong response. Now that I've inserted my sad face for the wrong responses and my congratulations for the correct response, I can now go ahead and create my hyperlinks. What I want to do is that when the person click on Johan Blake, which is the wrong answer, and also Justin Gatlin, it should move to the sad emoji. And when the person click on the correct answer, which is Usain Bolt, it should go to the congratulations slide. To create the hyperlink, I click on the shape or the text box, and then I go to insert, select hyperlink, then ensure that when you go to this hyperlink window, you look for a place in this document. Then you select a place in this document. Now you need to remember which of the slide the sad face is on. You need to go through and then you find that slide. Now I remember that I placed the sad face on the 7th slide. The picture will come up to indicate whether or not I am correct, and when you have done so, you press OK. I will repeat the process for Justin Gatlin, which is the wrong response. Go to hyperlink and I'll select in hyperlinking it to the 8th slide, which is the 7th slide, and then I press OK. Now Usain Bolt, which is the correct answer, I need to hyperlink it to the congratulations slide. So I click on it, go to insert, select hyperlink, then I look for that slide, which is the 8th slide, and then I press OK. Now I'm finished creating my hyperlink from the different responses to my happy emoji and my sad emoji. Now what I need to do is to ensure that when they come to the happy emoji and the sad emoji, they're able to go back to the question. So what I'll be doing now is to insert a button on these two slides that say return, or you can either say return or take me back, whatever you would like just to put on it. I will be using a shape, so I'll go to insert, select shape. So you can select any of the shape that you would like. So I'll be using a circle, and I'll just creating that circle, and I'll be adding back in that circle. So I've added take me back to that slide. You can go ahead and format that button if you like. You can change the color. You can also change the effect on it if you would like to change the effect. Now, this is a very important step. Now we need to hyperlink this button now to the last slide view. To do that, I need to go to Insert, and I will select an action from the list on the ribbon. And in this window, I click on Hyperlink to. From the drop-down menu here, I will select Last Slide Viewed, and I'll press OK. Now, once you come to the slide and click this button here, to take you back to the last slide view. Now, I don't need to create one for the sad emoji. All I need to do is just copy and paste this same button here, and it will move with the link attached to it. So I'll select paste. Now it is there. Now let's take a preview to see how our presentation will look. So I go to slideshow and I say start from the beginning. So this is my question: who is the fastest man on earth? If I click Yuan Blake, it takes me to the sad emoji that say no. I press take me back, it go back to the question. If I click Justin Gatlin, say no just the same way, take me back. If I click Usain Bolt, then I'll get the congratulation emoji, say take me back. You can add as many questions as you would like using the same process, just linking the different responses to the slide with the emojis that say congratulations or the sad face, and you will have a fantastic presentation that you can use to culminate your presentation. Hope you enjoy this video. Let me know.